Congratulations.
Oh my good lord. You got the sculptures? The things that I was
Just
talking
one.
about?
Just
Oh
one.
my gosh.
I could
so
not
awesome.
get my hands on.
Oh my gosh, dude. Okay. I have to put it up so I can see it. That is so cool.
This is so close now.
Well, I can hold it up. I don't want to get into it too much. It's well
Oh, you can
packed.
take it. You're gonna have to.
What?
Can't see it unless you take it out.
Okay, well, I need help holding the box.
Just lay it down and you can slide it out.
Here in a moment.
Yeah, and there's both pictures, but it's only one.
So hot in here. Nice. I like the thing over his head too. How did you find it? I didn't even think they had him out anymore. I don't want to pop him. Oh wait, it lifts. Now smile.
Yeah. I'm recording it.
Oh, you're recording? I didn't know you had a camera phone.
Oh yeah. Since I got
Yeah.
plenty of geeks on there.
That is so cool. That is so going into my wall. Oh, yeah, there were only 5,000 made.
Hmm.
Yay, Mulder. Thank you, Monica.
You're welcome.
Dr. Scully gets Mulder.
Yeah, I tried to get her, but she went like way to the roof
Yeah.
on price. But I got him. And that's the certificate, and he
Yeah.
signed it.
That is so cool.
So they,
David.
yeah.
I love Mulder. Break it. Now I understand the care in packing. Right.